This coconut buns is so easy to make. It's so yummy and crispy and crunchy. And you know what? The ingredients are probably the things you already have in your fridge. It's so easy to make. Now let's get right into it. For this recipe, I'm using 2.5 cup of flour. That's what we are using. We are using all-purpose flour, not bread flour or self-rising flour. I'm using 1.5 cup of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of baking powder, half cup of grated or desiccated coconut. The coconut should be desiccated, not fresh coconut, please. I'm going to stir all these dry ingredients together. Go on now to add in my wet ingredients. Now for my wet ingredients, I'm adding normal room temperature egg. I'm adding a tablespoon of butter or around 40 to 50 grams of butter. Please, not more than 50 grams of butter. You know you're frying this recipe and you wouldn't want your buns dripping with oil. I'm adding 1 cup of milk, normal temperature milk. Now you can use powdered milk dissolved in 1 cup of water. 1 cup is the same thing as 250 ml. So you can dissolve 1 tablespoon of powdered milk in 1 cup of water. That is fine. But me, I'm using semi-skimmed milk and I'm using 250 ml of my milk. I'm just going to mix after adding my milk and get ready to fry. Once you dip your toothpick into the oil and it's bubbling slightly, go on now to cut your buns into the oil. I'm going to show you how to cut your buns with ease. Make sure your hand is wet so that it will be easy for you to cut and your buns will slide out easily, or your buns batter will slide out easily from your fingers without it sticking to your fingers. So this is my bowl. I'm just going to, you can see my fingers are washed and they are wet. I'm just going to scoop it from my bowl and cut it into the oil. That is how easy it is to cut. Anyone can do that. You fry on medium heat, not on high heat. If it is too high or your oil is too hot, your buns will get too dark or burnt and the inside may be thick and raw. So you can see your buns should be bubbling slightly. I'm going to just go on now to stir continuously until I have a golden brown look. Now for this recipe, you can use whatever flavor you want to enhance yours. If you have milk flavor available for those of us in Nigeria, add it. You can combine milk flavor and coconut flavor, as in, guys, it's really going to be yummy. You can add it. So you can add nutmeg. I didn't add nutmeg. I didn't add any flavor to this, but you can add nutmeg. If you're adding, don't add more than half teaspoon. Just use whatever you feel can give you the flavor and the crunchiness you want in your coconut buns. It's up to you. Now I've fried my buns. You can see it is golden brown all the way through. I'm gradually taking them out of the oil. I love the brown color and the crunchiness. You can see how crunchy it looks already because of the little bits and pieces of coconut in these buns. Guys, if you start eating this coconut buns, hey, you don't know when you finish it. Okay, our buns is ready. Check out inside. And if you have watched to this point, you have a thumbs up this video. Thumbs up this video. Do like and share. Subscribe. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Are you going to try it? The ingredients are easy. They are cheap. And it will take you more than 15 minutes to make. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.